Hi everyone, we're currently at Vintage Park Estate at Ikate, and this is one of our very first estate tour in 2024. I am sure you're definitely going to love this. Now, this estate is just in a prime area in Ikate, and it is home to one of the wealthiest and lots of celebrities in the industry. So definitely it's a place you definitely want to call home in terms of serenity, in terms of security. It's highly secured. You have lots of beautiful properties in this estate that actually beautifies it. And one of the things I also love is the greenery in this estate. Like, a lot of attention is paid to that in this estate. But right now we're going to be showing you a fully detached, 5-bedroom fully detached right here for sale. And in this particular property, it comes with a lot of facilities. We have swimming pool, we have 2 boys quarters, we have a cinema, lounge, rooftop terrace, and a washroom. It has a lot more. You're definitely going to love this one. Join me on this tour. Let's go. Yeah, so right here on this property is sitting on over 600 square meters of land, and you can see you can park up to 6 or 7 cars right here. A lot of parking area available right here. Then you also have this green area. You can see lots of green areas in this space. Then you have this very large swimming pool in this space, and your gym house just right there. So it's a very spacious property in terms of space, in terms of every other thing you need. Then definitely this is it. So let's go into the living room. Yeah, so when you step into this area, the first thing you're going to be looking at is this gigantic armor door. Like, this has to be one of the largest door I've seen so far. And you have this automated door lock here, where you can either use your fingerprint, access code, or an access card to gain access. Then the moment you step into the living room, the first thing you have is your ante room, and also you have this visitors toilet. So the light here is actually sensor enabled, which means you don't need any switch. The moment you enter, the light goes on. Then you enter into your living area. So I like the double volume living area, and the fact that the chandelier really provides so much light into the living room. And also you have this very aesthetic wallpaper, which is made of rocks, like live rocks. So it is a very nice, it's not just like a wallpaper, like it is actually a live rock that was used to design this area, and it really gives it that very beautiful look. Then you have this TV right here already for you. Then you have that standing AC already installed. And this home is actually automated. You have inbuilt speakers and some automation features right here. So this particular area serves as your dining area. You understand? So your living area, your dining area. Then let's go down to the kitchen. So one thing I like about the kitchen is the blend of black and white accent in the whole fitting of the kitchen. I like the fact that you have your 4 burner top with an induction system right here. So you have one induction system here, and you have another one right here, as you can see. So you have your heat extractor, and you have your microwave and oven just right here as well. So it is well fitted, and you have a lot of cabinetries, a lot of space for all your edibles. They are right here. Lots of cabinetries. You can see a lot of space. Essentially, you have a lot of space. Then this is actually a dishwasher. This is a dishwasher. You also have your wash and basin here, and your double door refrigerator just right here. So you have a lot of functionality in this house. So you essentially don't have to buy anything in this kitchen. It's well fitted, it's fully fitted. So let's go to the next part of the house. So this is your visitors room. So this is the first room on the ground floor. It's your visitors room. It's actually very spacious. Very spacious. You have your toilet and bath right there as well. So let's go upstairs. So as you can see, the moment you step upstairs, you have this lighting on the staircase that beautifies the whole area for you. And on the wall as well, you have this lighting as well. You can see another installed AC. So everywhere is actually really cool. So the moment you step here, so this particular area serves as your lounge. It is a bit small, but one of the things I like again is the fact that you have this particular room. So you have this extra room. This extra room can serve as an office space, or it can serve as a lounge, depending on what you want to do. So you have another TV just right there. So right now we've counted 3 TVs, one in the living room, one in the kitchen, and one right here. Then we have installed AC as well. Then right here we have the second room. So you can see the design of this room. It is actually really beautiful. So I like the way they have this glass carved this way. You understand? Just like the half moon or something. And you have your wardrobe. Yeah, so this is not the master's, but you can see how spacious it is. And we have the toilet and bath right here, which is, the light is sensor enabled. The moment you step inside, it automatically comes on, which is a very nice feature, you know. Then we have another room right here, so more like a kid's room. So we have AC as well, the wardrobe, and this has a larger toilet and bath. You know, it has a bathtub, and the shower area is actually very spacious. I like the shower head as well, so it is really nice. And yeah, so that's another room. But this room has a small balcony here, so which means you can actually have a sit out here sometimes, and you can have a look at the swimming pool. You can have a look at the swimming pool and the gym as well from here. So let's go to the other room. So this makes it the third room. So this is the fourth room. It's also very spacious, really spacious. You have toilet and bath with bathtub, just like the other one. And I like the way they use the black tiles in here that really blends well with the old white tiles in the other part of the room. So it is very lovely. I like the finishing of this house for one. So this particular area is more like the utility room, where you have some utility stuff. Then this is another guest toilet right here. So at this point, let's go upstairs. Yeah, so this is the final floor. So the first part I want to show you is the cinema. Yeah, so I really like the cinema because you have enough space for about 9 to 10 people, and you can see the way it is. You know, you have your AC already, and I like this effect at the top. You know, it really gives a very nice, you know, outlook and all. So this is definitely a place you can chill and have fun with your family. And we have this rooftop area as well. So definitely you can have like a small get together around here, and also you have a very nice view of the estate from here. So it is a very lovely one as well. So you have another kitchen on this last floor. So that this is basically a kitchen for the masters. Maybe you don't want to go downstairs and all. So you have an induction burner here, and you have cabinetries right here, and you also have a microwave. So it is really cool. So this is the second rooftop terrace. So we have two rooftop terraces here. You understand? Then you're welcome to my favorite part of the house, which is the masters. So in this masters, you can see how spacious it is. Very beautiful, and I personally love the way they were able to be consistent with the colors of the fittings, of the furnitures. All of them are black, as you can see, and I really like that consistency in this whole house. You understand? And you have enough space for all your clothing. Enough space, more than enough. Then right here you can keep your accessories, your gold, your diamond, your wristwatch, and whatnot. And yeah, so I personally love this toilet and bath so much. So the master's toilet and bath, you know, you have your double vanity right here. You have your cabinetry as well. Then this also has another TV, if you can see. So maybe when you're in the bathtub, you can still watch Netflix. And you have your toilet seat and all. Then this particular area is just heavenly. Like, it gives you like this very lovely feeling. You understand? So this, you can see the rain shower, which is very high, and you have this very lovely feeling when you're having your bath right here. So it's just that same wallpaper, but it's a real. We have real rocks right here, you understand, which really beautifies the house and give it that natural feeling, you understand, that you definitely love. Then, so the last part will be the balcony of the masters. So this balcony, so you can see we also have a standing AC right here that serves the old masters. So this is the balcony, the last balcony for the masters. And from here, you can also have a better view of the estate. It is very lovely, trust me. So if you're interested in this property, definitely you want to reach out to me. As I said earlier, it's a 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex at Ikate. Now, this estate is called Vintage Park. Now, it's a very lovely estate. You definitely want to live here. It is very serene, very calm. And if you're interested in this property, it's a 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex with a swimming pool, a cinema, two BQs, a washroom, and much more facilities that you definitely love, even a gym house. So if you're interested, this property is just going for 800 million asking. It is slightly negotiable, and we can also get you the best deal on this property. Ensure you dial my number, reach out to me. My name is Adiola Sanusi. I am the best real estate expert in Africa, bringing you the best deals in Nigeria. Thank you very much for your time. God bless you.